Alright guys, welcome back to Eat and Be Eaten. Today we got a recipe for you. This is smoked meat fried rice. So we are going in with Calrose white rice. The amount, since we're cooking this to feed about 25 people, it's going to be 10 cups of uncooked rice and 12 cups of water. It's about a 1 to 1.5 ratio. For fried rice, always got to have the rice cooked beforehand so that it can get hard. Day-old rice, best thing. Then the smoked meat, we're cooking it off with onions. Smoked meat can't go wrong with your recipe as long as you got equal parts shoyu and sugar. We're also going to fry off onions, bacon, and Spam. So it's going to be 4 pounds of smoked meat, 4 cans, 12-ounce cans of Spam, 2 pounds of bacon, and you'll see we're going to go in with 16 eggs as well. So first thing, we're cooking off the smoked meat with the onions. Green onions also, about 2 bunches of green onions sliced up to go in with this. And then for the condiments, it's going to be about 1.5 cups of shoyu across the rice, 1/4 cup of oyster sauce, about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and then black pepper. So once that smoked meat's cooked off, go in with the Spam, the onions. We got the green onions going. Should have waited a little longer for those. Put those at the end ideally. Make sure it fries off real good. Use a neutral high smoke point cooking oil. Fry off all your ingredients. And once you got all those fried off, go in with the eggs. Now the wok here is not big enough to do the whole thing at once, so we did it in 2 parts. So I put half the eggs first, cook those through. Then once you got all that done, the eggs are cooked, go in with your rice, break it up, fry it off. This recipe gives you a nice smoky, hearty, local style fried rice, the smoked meat, the Spam, the bacon, the egg, the green onion. Here you can see the oyster sauce going in and the shoyu. Always best to keep it moving when you're making fried rice. Get each kernel of rice nice and fried. And that's really all there is to it, guys. Hawaii style smoked meat fried rice. Try it out, delicious. And we will see you guys next time with another recipe. Let us know what's your favorite kind of fried rice. Check out the channel for more videos like this. Aloha.